Welcome back to 4 High Garage. Today is going to be a short video on getting everything together that I have for Paige's white Jeep. We're going to get back on that. Hopefully have a series of videos getting that up and running. We're looking at basically a moderate garage clean out and organization, because between projects it just kind of gets chaotic. And I need to know what parts I already have for that Jeep, just from collecting over the years. This will all end up being kind of a quick time lapse, and then I'll kind of go over what I've got. And then the next video should be back on the Jeep. Thanks for watching. So everything else that's left up there is either Mustang stuff, that's an old Coleman camping stove, or Christmas stuff. So I've got everything Jeep related down from this little cubby of an attic. This was the biggest piece, and I've already forgotten what is in here. Oh, another piece there, electric fan, some door handles. Look at that. Oh man. Well, that's a trailer wiring. Oh, wonder if I could wire this up for some fog lights. Be handy. Your mirror, side mirrors. Yeah, it's a good little haul, most of which I'm not sure where I got from. Maybe just junkyards over the years, or something else. Oh, I remember. I think I got some of this from my friend's son-in-law. That they were clearing out all their Jeep stuff. That's what it was. Okay, on the hunt for some more parts. Okay, this is everything I dug out. Some of it new, some of it used but in good shape. Just taking inventory of what I've got to work on Paige's Jeep so that I don't accidentally go buy it or hit the junkyard for it. I guess left to right, got some extra side mirrors, center console cover, cowl panel, couple of center grills, interior trim, 2 new fenders, specifically bought for Paige's Jeep, headlight bezels, third tail light with some other reflectors. Over here we've got a new blower motor. We've got a parking brake cable. There's some new shorter parking brake cables. I don't know why I have 3, but I do. Dana 30 front cover, probably won't need it. A 7-pin trailer harness. That should be a stock unit too. And then a couple of cheapo head units, driver's side switch, new unit, handful of the center console switches with the fog light bezel, radiator hose, the oil filter, O-ring thing, a gasket for the distributor, U-bolts, some power steering stuff, coolant line, axle seals, some other seals, I don't remember what they were for, universal joint. This is the mechanism that holds your door open. Couple of radiator isolators. That's the door alignment pins, oil pan, drain, oil filter cap, couple of fuel rails, exterior doors, used but good condition power steering pump, license plate bracket, some door seals, front axles, drive shaft. I believe that's a rear drive shaft. Don't remember. Actually, that looks pretty short. That might be a front drive shaft. And then I've got several other drive shafts in the back of the other Jeep. Some vacuum canisters, fuel rails, exterior door handles, interior Jesus handles, rear view mirror, pitman arm, dust shields. That's a rear wiper blade motor, used but I believe working. 3 hubs, used but in great shape. A box of the power door lock actuators. Some of them been cleaned and oiled. Some of them are just dirty and need to be cleaned and oiled. A new radiator. That one I think will be fine. That one I bought to replace in the 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. And this is a 2-wheel automatic transmission, but I bet it's the same radiator since they're both automatic transmissions. Some used but in good shape spark plug wires, new spark plugs, used but in good shape ball joints. I think they've got like 1,000 miles on them. And some extended shackles, sway bar bushings, sway bar end links. Not sure which one's which. This is like a bucket of just random stuff. Transmission mount with exhaust. Actually, this is just, I think, the bracket that goes between the transmission mount and the transmission for the exhaust hanger bushing. A replacement evap canister, a couple of front tow hooks. I don't know why I have a gas pedal and cable. Might have that for, like, who knows, maybe one day I want to do some kind of custom project, because that's actually a pretty good gas pedal and cable to do that with. A whole bunch of bumper brackets. These I know are like reinforcing brackets, and these are stock mixed in with maybe not even XJ bumper brackets. New air filter, used but good electric fan. Whew. Starting to get into the warmer months of Texas. It's not too bad, I think, in the 80s, but it's like 100% humidity. It's killing me. And that's pretty much it. That is the sea of used and new parts, along with an entire running but rear-ended 1999 XJ to get that white XJ up and running for Paige's Jeep. I'm going to bust out pen and paper and make a whole bunch of notes to myself, and then I'm going to box all this up and kind of put it in the corner, and that way I know what's there, what I can grab, what I need. I can grab it instead of buying new. So next video hopefully will be diving into Paige's Jeep again. I've got my first 2 videos up about a month or so ago. If you're interested in those, scroll back in my list and check those out. Hopefully in the next few videos, we'll have it cleaned and on the road. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.